Ever wondered how to reset the oil change required reminder light after changing the oil in your car? Well, you're not alone. This is a common yet crucial task that ensures smooth vehicle operation. By resetting this light, you're keeping track of your car's maintenance schedule, thereby extending its lifespan and enhancing performance. Neglecting it can lead to unexpected issues and costly repairs down the line. In this video, we will guide you through this simple process, step by step. Before jumping into the procedure, it's crucial to understand what the oil reset service light is. This little illuminator on your dashboard is more than just a bright annoyance. It's a helpful reminder, a digital knight in shining armor if you will, that your car is due for an oil change. This light is programmed to light up after a certain number of miles driven, a smart way to keep you from forgetting this critical maintenance task. The oil in your car isn't just for lubrication. It also helps to cool your engine, prevent rust, and clean out debris. When it gets old or dirty, it can't do its job properly, which can lead to expensive damage. That's why your car comes equipped with this handy-dandy oil reset service light to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Now that we know what it is, let's move on to the steps to reset this light. Resetting the oil change reminder light is a straightforward task that requires just a scanner tool. To begin, ensure your scanner tool is ready for use. You'll want to check that it's fully charged and that it's updated with the latest software. Keep in mind, you might need to connect it to your computer and download updates from the manufacturer's website. Once it's charged and updated, it's time to get started. Locate the diagnostic link connector in your car, often found beneath the steering column. This is where you'll plug in the scanner tool. Insert the tool's connector into the port. It should fit snugly, but don't force it if it doesn't seem to go in. You might be trying to insert it upside down, or it might not be the right tool for your car model. Now that the scanner tool is connected, turn the ignition to the ON position, but do not start the engine. This will power up the car's electrical system and allow the scanner to communicate with the vehicle's computer. On your scanner tool, navigate to the Reset or Oil Reset option. The exact wording can vary depending on the scanner model, but it should be fairly easy to spot. If you're having trouble, refer to your scanner's manual. Once you've found the correct option, select it. You may need to confirm your selection or enter additional vehicle information. Follow the prompts on the scanner tool's screen. The process can take a few seconds to a couple of minutes, so be patient. When the scanner tool indicates that the process is complete, you can unplug it from the diagnostic link connector. Turn off the ignition, then turn it back on to ensure the oil change reminder light has been reset. If it's off, congratulations, you've done it. If it's still on, don't panic. Repeat the process, ensuring you follow each step carefully. And there you have it. You've successfully reset the oil change reminder light. Let's quickly recap the steps we've just covered. We began by understanding the importance of the oil reset service light. Then we walked through the process, from initiating your scanner tool to navigating through the dashboard options, and finally resetting the oil change reminder light. It's a straightforward procedure, but crucial for your car's health. Remember, resetting this light is not just about turning off an annoying reminder, it's about ensuring the longevity of your vehicle. Thanks for watching.